Hi, I'm Nisha Patel and I manage the SHAPE programme for Sandwell, which is our Child's Voice initiative. And today we're here at Westminster School and we're here for the Special Schools Student Voice Conference, and it's the Post-16 conference today. The idea of today is that as SHAPE and through the programme we listen to the voices of children and young people. One of the biggest gaps is around SEND. Although we have some young people and some schools attending our conferences, our primary and secondary one, we wanted to do a bespoke session with children and young people with SEND needs, and particularly for special schools.
It's the first time that pupils with SEND have had their own conference in Sandwell, so it's a great opportunity for them to come together in a relaxed, informal environment to be able to provide their views on a range of different issues such as independent travel, short breaks, school experience and what they want to do when they finally finish school or college.
So Westminster were really keen on hosting this, and I've worked with the head teacher, deputy head, to get this conference together.
So it's been an absolutely fantastic experience. The pupils have really enjoyed having the opportunity to provide their voice. We've had a range of schools from Sandwell involved, and it's been really good to see both staff and students getting involved. We can't wait to hold the second SHAPE conference for SEND students next year in 2027 and hopefully get even more pupils involved from across Sandwell.